Okay students, come to division part. You have to remember one thing, whatever the symbol rules we have already followed at the time of multiplication, the same rules you need to follow at the time of division. No change. It means plus divided by minus. The answer will be minus. Minus divided with plus. The answer is minus. Plus divided with plus. The answer is plus. Minus divided with minus. The answer is plus. You need to remember only these 4 rules at the time of division. The same rules you have to follow at the time of multiplication. The same rule. When you divide a negative integer by a positive integer, the result will be a negative number, negative integer. Mathematically, for any negative integer p and any positive integer q, the division can be represented as for any integer p and q. Just we can take an example for the better understanding. Suppose p minus 10, q plus 2. If I divide q with p, then the answer is minus plus minus, the answer is minus 5. Okay, observe the following and complete it. Multiplication statement. First we have to check whether these statements are correct or not. ये correct है? Correct. Okay, then we have to do these 3 questions. Minus 3 into minus 7, answer is minus का प्लस हो जाएगा, ये आंसर होगा 21. 8 into 4 32 होगा, but the symbol is negative because minus plus minus. 5 into 9 45, the answer is minus. 10 into 5 50, and the answer is plus. No need to put the plus symbol. Corresponding division statement. Minus 12 minus 6, as I have discussed already, minus divide with minus, the answer is positive. 12 divided by 6, answer is 2. 25 minus or plus, the answer is minus. Correct. 72 माइनस, यहाँ पे अगर हम कुछ नंबर लिखेंगे, सपोज 8 लिखेंगे तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 9 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इन दिस इंटीजर्स द सिंबल इज प्लस and I am taking an example of 8. Here the symbol is also plus, then it results plus. Okay, all the blanks should be filled by you, as I have already discussed you these 4 rules. According these 4 rules, you can use these 4 rules to fill all the blanks. Okay students, then try this. Okay, minus 100 डिवाइडेड 5 माइनस प्लस, तो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, और 100 को 5 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. द आंसर इज 20. ओके, सेकेंड बिट माइनस 81 डिवाइड बाय 9 माइनस प्लस माइनस 81 और 9, आंसर आ जाएगा 9. बाकी 2 खुद करना, ये सिंपल है, ये हो जाएगा. दिस चार्ट रेफर्स टू यू an information regarding divisions. What rules you have to follow at the time of division? First, property number 1, closure property. As we know that in case of addition, subtraction, multiplication, the closure property is there. It means if we add, subtract or multiplied the digits, the result, whatever the result is coming, it refers to a integers. But in the case of division, the answer, what answer we find in division, whether it is an integer or not. Okay, let us take an example. 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. 10 is an integer, 2 is also an integer, the answer comes 5 and it is also an integers. Okay, but when I am taking a digit 20 divided by 3, 20 divided by 3, the answer is 6.66 and so on, and this 6.66 is not an integer, so division does not follow the property, the first property, closure property. Okay, then go for the second property, commutative property. It also, the division does not follow the commutative property. It means, suppose 20 divided by 2, the answer is 10. The answer is 10. If I changed the number with themselves, then 2 divided by 20, it is not similar with 10. So the division does not refers to the commutative property. P divided by Q is not similar with Q divided by P. It is the example. Okay. Then division by 0. Division by 0. P divided by 0. It is not defined. It means it is infinite. It is infinite. So this division by 0 results to a valueless product. P divided by 0 not defined. 0 divided by 10 is 0. Division identity means if I divide 1 with any integer, then the result is this number itself. It means P divided by 1, the answer is P. Let us take an example. 10 divided by 1, the answer is 10. Means this division identity is followed by the division. Okay, then associative property. P divided by Q divided with R is not equal to P divided by Q divided by R within bracket. Let us take an example. 16 minus 16 divided by 4 divided by minus 2. Minus 16 divided by 4 divided by again minus 2. 16 4, the answer is minus 4. Again divided with 2, the answer is minus 2. According to your associative property, if I write this sum in a different way, minus 16 divided by 4 again 2 bracket minus 16 divided by 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Minus 16 divided by 2, answer is minus 8. Minus 2 and minus 8. So these two digits are not equal. So the division does not provide any associative property. Division is not associative for integers. Okay, students. Okay, students. Then try to solve this example. In a test, plus 5 marks are given for every correct answer. It means if any students does a correct answer, then he will get 5, means plus 5. Okay, and minus 2 means the mark will be deducted with 2. Marks are given for every incorrect answer. Radhika answered all the questions and scored 30 marks through she got 10 correct answer. 10 correct answer. J also answered all the question and scored 12 marks through. He got 4 correct answers. How many incorrect answer had they attempted? Okay, let us do the sum. For Radhika. For Radhika. Radhika answered all the questions and scored 30 marks through she got 10 correct answers. 10 correct answer राधिका ने दिया है, इसका मतलब for the correct answer, for the correct answers Radhika got according to questions any correct answer she will get positive 5 mark, and as per questions he did 10 correct answer. 10 into 5, the answer is 50. It means Radhika got 50 marks as per 10 correct answers. Okay, and according to questions her total marks is how much? 30. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? As per the question Radhika did 10 correct answer and he got 50 marks, and according to the wrong answer he did, the total mark is 30. Means her total marks is reduced. Her total marks has been reduced due to the wrong answer. Okay, 50 मार्क उसको मिला था और नेगेटिव मार्क को कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद उसका टोटल मार्क कितना हो गया? 30. इट मीन्स 20 marks got reduced due to wrong answer. Then क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है? हाउ मेनी इनकरेक्ट आंसर हैड दे अटेम्प्टेड? मीन्स फॉर राधिका आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व. 20 marks got reduced due to wrong answer, and as per the questions how much mark needs to be reduced? Only 2 mark. Okay, and his total mark which has been reduced is कितना? 20. So the wrong answer is equal to 20 divided by 2. 10. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Radhika had given 10 questions as correct and 20 questions as wrong. So his total mark is reduced by 20, and out of 50 his 20 marks get reduced due to wrong answer. So his total mark is 30. Okay, then come for J also answered all the questions and scored minus 12 marks. Through he got 4 correct answer. Okay, for J. Okay, for correct answer he got 4 correct answer. 4 into 5 20. Okay, and his total mark is minus 12. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका नेगेटिव मार्क पॉजिटिव मार्क से ज्यादा है, इसलिए इसका टोटल मार्क minus 12 आ गया. Then I have to find how many wrong answer he had given in the exam. Okay, total mark is minus 12. It means the mark It means the marks get reduced due to wrong answer is -12 total mark, 20 minus -12 कितना हो गया 32। इसका मतलब उसका 32 मार्क रिड्यूस हो गया है 20 से। तो हमको कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस जॉय हैज गिवन रॉन्ग आंसर। ओके ओके, तो 32 मार्क उसका नेगेटिव मार्क है। देन आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन that joy answered wrongly। क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 2 से। नेगेटिव मार्क पर क्वेश्चन के लिए 2 मार्क है, 32 डिवाइड बाय 2 तो 16 क्वेश्चंस जॉय हैड गिवन द रॉन्ग आंसर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। ये हो गया हमारा, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया। देन गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल। ए शॉपकीपर earns a profit of 1 by selling 1 pen and incurs a loss of 40 paisa per pencil while selling pencil of her old stock। It means when the shopkeeper sells 1 pen, he gets ₹1 per pen and incurred a loss of 40 paisa per pencil। Okay, in a particular month she incurs a loss of 5। In this period she sold 45 pens। तो 45 पेन्स में जो 45 पेन्स उन्होंने सेल किया उससे कितना प्रॉफिट आया, प्रॉफिट 45 into 1 ₹1। The answer is 45। Okay, and the total loss is 5 and the total loss is 5। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, प्रॉफिट आया 45 and this profit arised at the time of selling the pen। Okay, 45 and total means after selling the pencil also his total loss is 5। What does it means? The total loss incurred by selling the pencil is equal to प्रॉफिट कितना 45, प्रॉफिट आ गया 45 और टोटल लॉस है हमारा कितना 5। तो टोटल लॉस कितना होगा 45 माइनस 5, 45 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 50। ये लॉस है तुम्हारा, ये लॉस है, ठीक है। उस शॉपकीपर का ये लॉस है 50, क्योंकि 50 लॉस है पेंसिल से और 45 आ गया प्रॉफिट पेन से। तो टोटल लॉस कितना आ गया 5। और एक क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है, हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स डिड शी सेल इन दिस पीरियड। ओके, देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल ही सोल्ड। नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स शी सोल्ड क्या करना पड़ेगा, 50 तो लॉस हो गया। देखो क्या क्वेश्चन दिया है, पेंसिल में कितना लॉस आ गया 40 पैसा। तो क्या करेंगे हम 50 रुपीज को 40 पैसा से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे, देखो 50, ये जो पॉइंट 40 है ना, यहाँ पे 40 रहेगा और जो न्यूमरेटर में 100 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 0 0 कैंसिल हो गया। 4 2j 8 20 4 5j 25 5 into 25 125 pencils. Okay students, then we have to try these sums regarding your division. 125 divided with minus 25. First we need to put the symbol पॉजिटिव साइन नेगेटिव साइन प्लस माइनस क्या होगा माइनस होगा 125 को 25 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा तो आंसर आ जाएगा 5. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू पुट द सिंबल्स करेक्टली. ओके देन डिवीजन विल बी इजी फॉर यू. 80 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 प्लस और माइनस आएगा माइनस 80 डिवाइड बाई 5 तो आंसर होगा 16. डिवीजन इज सो इजी बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग while putting the symbols. Okay, you have to follow the rules first. 64 divided by 16 plus or minus आएगा minus 16 4j 64. Okay, then second part minus तो आंसर आएगा प्लस माइनस आएगा प्लस और ये डिवाइड करने से आएगा कितना 9. ओके माइनस 36 डिवाइड बाई -4 यहाँ पे माइनस सिंबल है यहाँ पे माइनस सिंबल है तो माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. आज आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड माइनस प्लस आ जाएगा और 36 से 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 9. बाकी सेम बी 201 डिवाइड बाई -3 -201 डिवाइड बाई -3 माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर रूल्स. देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड 3 7j 3 6j 18 21 3 7j. Answer is positive 67. Then the last one minus 325 divided with minus 13. ओके तो ये माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस हो जाएगा. आंसर इज 25. You need to follow these 4 rules while division or multiplication. The rule is same. Okay.